Hello students, today I am going to explain you chapter number 14 Ka idam dushkaram kuryata, means who may do this impossible task. So let's start with our introduction. In 4th century BC, Magad was ruled over by Nanda dynasty. Vishnugupta, who was born in Patliputra, the capital of Magad, brought to an end of a tyrannical ruling of Nanda. Vishnugupta was a Acharya of a science of politics in a Takshashila Vidyapit. He was the teacher by profession but was proficient in politics. He took a keen interest in politics to unite divided state and make people free from a trinity of Nanda and unite India as a whole. Known as Acharya Kauntilya, he taught science of politics to an ordinary child, Chandragupta. When Chandragupta Maurya successfully passed out all the tests taken by him, he coronated his worthy disciple on the throne of Magad. Vishnudatta, whose probable date is 7th to 9th century, has written a 7-act play named Mudra Rakshasam, selecting this historical event as a theme. The present express is an edited version of one of the scenes from the first act of this play. King Nanda had a minister named Amatya Rakshasa, who was very gentle, loyal and affectionate to his people. With the downfall of Nanda dynasty, Amatya Rakshasa was also deposed and went away to unknown place in a disgrace. Amatya was dutiful and loyal to his country, so Chanakya wanted to appoint him as a minister of Chandragupta. So he called a merchant named Chandandas to get information about Amatya Rakshasa. Chandandas was his personal friend and had given shelter to Rakshas family at his home. When Chanakya get this news, he called Chandandas and asked him to find out Amatya Rakshasa. Relatives dialogues between Chanakya and Chandandas is presented here. Chandandas' loyalty towards his friend is beautifully depicted here. Chandandas becomes ready to protect his friend and his family even at the cost of his life, and proves that the friend is more than even his life. Chandandas' love for his friend makes Chanakya delighted. You have to learn potential participle used in this lesson. So let's start our lesson. Chanakya Swashishyam prati vatsa Shreshthi Chandandasa atra anetya, means Chanakya said to his disciple, O son, the merchant. Shreshthi means the merchant and Chandandas is the name of merchant. Atra anetyavam means brought here. Chanakya said, O son, the merchant Chandandas should be brought here. Shishya Yada Agya Apayati Upadhyaya means as the preceptor's order. Iti nishkramya Chandandasena saha punaha pravishya means going out and entering again with Chandandas. Chandandas swagatam. Chanakya yada ahyati tada nirdoshasya api sanka vardhate kim puna jatadoshasya means Chandandas said to himself, the fear of even an innocent man increased when Chanakya summons. Ataeva maya Amatya Rakshasasya gruhajano anyatra preshati means so that then what to say of one is guilt. Mama tavat yadvatati tadvadatu nama. It is only because of that the family of Amatya Rakshas was sent elsewhere by me. As for me, come what may. Means Chandan Das said to himself, the fear of even an innocent man increase when the Chanakya summons. Then what to say about or of the one is guilt. It is only because of this that the family of Amatya Rakshas was sent elsewhere by me. As for me, come what may. Shishya. Bo Shreshthina itah means Shishya say, O merchant, come this way. Chandan Das. Ayam agato asmi. Ubho parikramatam. Chandan Das said, here I come. Both move round. Shishya. Upadhyaya ayam Shreshthi Chandan Dasa. The student or a Shishya said, reverse sir or respected sir, here is the merchant Chandan Dasa. Chandan Dasa upasrutya jayatu jayatvarya. Chandan Das said, Chandan Das upasrutya means going near. Chandan Das going near and said, victory to you, noble sir. Chanakya. Shresthinam swagatam te means welcome to you. Idam asanam tatra sthatavyam means here is a seat and be seated there. Chandan Das yadarya agyapayati upavishtam means as your order and sits. Chanakya. Api prachiyante samvyavaharanam vruttila means Chanakya said, are the profits of your mercantile transactions increasing? Chandan Dasa Swagata Atyadara Shankaniyam Prakasham Aryam Athakim Acharya Prasadena Akhandita Me Vanidya means Chandan Das said to himself, undue honor should be a cause of a doubt. Sir, certainly by your favor my business is uninterrupted. Chanakya. Bo Shreshthina api kadachita Chandraguptasya doshana purvanrupate nandanasya gunana adhuna smaranti prakrutaya means Chandan Das said that O merchant, do the subject sometime remember Chandragupta's fault, the good quality of the earlier king Nanda now. Chandan Das. Santa Papa. Sharada Nisham Samudagatenam Purnima Chandrenam Adhikam Nandati Prakrutaya means Chandan Das said this, forbid my mistake or good forbid. The subjects are immensely pleased as with the moon rising with the full splendor on an autumnal full moon night. Chanakya. Bo Shreshthina Pritabhyam Prakrutaya Pratipriyam Adhigachati Prakrutayam means Chanakya says, O merchant, king expect benefit in a return from the subjects who are pleased. Chandan Dasa. Agyapayatu Arya means let noble sir order. Kim kiyatam cha artha jatam asma janna dishyate means what and how much amount of money is desired from this person. Chanakya. Bo Shreshthina Chandragupta Rajyamidam na Nanda Rajyam Artham tu Nandaya evam rochate sma. Chandraguptasya tu prajananam pariklesha bhave evam ruchi means Chanakya say, O merchant, this is Chandragupta's kingdom, not the kingdom of Nand. It was Nand who liked wealth, but Chandragupta is interested in the absence of sorrow for the subjects. Chandan Das Saharsam Anukruhito अस्मि. Chandan Das said joyfully, I am obligate. चाणक्य सच परिक्लेशा भावम कथम आविर्भवति तम न प्रकट्यम. मीन्स Chanakya says, and should you not ask how the absence of sorrow will be brought about. Chandan Das आज्ञापयतु आर्य. Chandan Das said, may your honor order. चाणक्य संक्षेपतः नृपति प्रति अविरुद्धा वृत्ति वर्तितव्या. मीन्स Chanakya said, in a brief, behaving in a manner which is not against the king. Chandan Das कह पुनः अगण्यो नृपते विरुद्धम आचरति. Chandan Das asked, who indeed is the unlucky one that behave against the king? Chanakya भवानेव तावतम प्रथम. Means you yourself to begin with. Chandan Das शांतम पापम शांतम पापम कीदृश स्तोत्राणाम अग्निनाम सहम विरोधम. Chandan Das says, I depreciate the sinful thought. What kind of a hostility can straw have with the fire? चाणक्य अयम इदशं विरोधम यत्वम अद्यापि राजविरोधिनम अमात्य राक्षसस्य गृहजनम स्वगृहम अभिनियम रक्षसी. Means Chanakya said, this is the hostility that you are even today protecting the family of Amatya Rakshas, the enemy of the king, by taking them to your house. Chandan Das आर्य अलिक्मेतत् केनापि अनभिज्ञेन आर्यस्य एतत् निवेदयति. Chandan Das said, it is false, noble sir. Some ignorant fellow might have told it to you. चाणक्य भो श्रेष्ठिन अलमाशंकाया भीताः पूर्वराजपुरुषा पौराणां गृहेषु गृहजनं निक्षिप्यं देशान्तरं व्रजन्ति. ततः तत्पच्छदानवेम दोषम उत्पादयति. Means Chanakya says, have no misgiving, O merchant. Officers of your former king fly to the other countries in the panic, leaving their families in the houses of citizens. Then the very concealment of the fact become ceremonial. Chandan Das इवं नु इदम तस्मिन् समये अमात्य राक्षसस्य गृहजनं मम गृहे आसीतम. Chandan Das says, this is indeed the case. That time the family of Amatya Rakshas was in my house. चाणक्य प्रथमम अनृतम इदानीम आसितम इति परस्पर विरुद्धे वचने. Means Chanakya said, first you said it is false and now you say it was, means they are in my house. These two are contradiversity statement. Chandan Das एतावदेवम अस्ति मे वाक्छलम. Chandan Das says, this much only is my fraud of speech. चाणक्य भो श्रेष्ठिन चंद्रगुप्तस्य राज्ये अपरिग्रह छलानां तत् समर्पयितव्यं राक्षसं गृहजनं भवितव्यं भयता. Means Chanakya says, O merchant, fraud are not acceptable in Chandragupta's kingdom. So the family of Rakshas should be handed over. You should be free from fraud. Chandan Das आर्य ननु विज्ञापयामि तस्मिन् समये आसीत मम गृहे अमात्य राक्षसस्य गृहजन. Chandan Das said that, noble sir, I humbly say that the family of Rakshas was in my house at that time. Chanakya atham idani kavagata. Means Chanakya asked, and where has it gone now? चंदनदास न जानामि कुत्र गत मीन्स चंदनदास सेड आई डोंट नो वेर दे गो. चाणक्य कथम न जानासि नाम हाउ इट इज डेट यू डोंट नो. चाणक्य कथम न जानामि नाम भो श्रेष्ठीन चंदनदास राजविरोधिषु तीक्ष्णदंडम नृपति चंद्रगुप्त सह न मर्शयिष्यति राक्षस कलत्रस्य प्रच्छादनं भवतः तत रक्षितव्यं परकलत्रेण आत्मनं कलत्रं जीवति च. चाणक्य सेज हाउ इट इज that you don't know? O Chandandas, Chandragupta gives severe punishment to those who oppose the king. He will not tolerate your act of holding Rakshas family. So your own life and family should be protected by the family of Adhara. Chandandas, Arya किम मे भयं दर्शयति भवानं संतम अपि गेहे आमात्य राक्षसस्य गृहजनं न समर्पयामि किम पुनः असतम. चंदनदास नोबल सर आर यू थ्रेटनिंग मी इवन इफ द फैमिली ऑफ राक्षस वेर इन माई हाउस आई वुड नॉट बी हैंड इट ओवर. व्हाट टू से व्हेन इट इज नॉट देयर इन माई हाउस. चाणक्य चंदनदास एष एव ते निश्चय. चाणक्य सेड चंदनदास इट इज योर डिसीजन. चंदनदास बाढ़म एष मे स्थिर निश्चय मीन्स चंदनदास सेड यस दिस इज माय फर्म डिसीजन. चाणक्य स्वगतम साधु चंदनदास. चाणक्य सेड टू हिमसेल्फ ब्रेवो चंदनदास ब्रेवो. सुलभेद्वम अर्थम लाभेषु परसंवेदने जनः क इदम दुष्करम कुर्यातम इदानी शिबिना विना मीन्स विच पर्सन इन द प्रेजेंट एज वुड डू दिस which is impossible expect for CB in spite of the advantage to be easily caught the betraying others.